Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I show you my last Zara shopping. Let's start it. First I ordered this pair of sneakers. I ordered it in the men's section because men sneakers are more comfy than women. My size is 39. It's very cute and very comfortable. This pair of sneakers are very comfortable. I also ordered this pair of boots. Was 70% off. Really cheap. It's real leather and pink. Very cute. The size is 39, however, was a little small. So if you have a 39, better will be 40, but it's okay. Brand small. If you want another pair, please order one size up. I bought this bag. It's real leather, also in 60% off. Very big for travel or go to work. That's a great deal. Let's move on to the next. I ordered this dress. It's like zebra pattern and was very cheap, only €12.90. Very cute. I ordered the L size. I tried it. What did you think? This is a zebra dress. I saw the same dress in Michael Kors corner, but was €225 and this was only $12.90 if I remember well. I ordered another dress as well. This is Balmain style. I ordered XL, was cheap also, maybe 50% off. However, XL size is XL for Valerie, not for me. I tried it. And this is the last one, is the Balmain style. It's very warm, not for summer. I will wait until autumn to use it. But it's cute and with me. It's only for Barbie. I also keep this blouse, it's lilac. Yeah, lilac. Was also on sale. I ordered XL size because my booty are very big, so I tried. What do you think? The purple fit me well, however it's quite loose, but I don't want always wear skinny clothing. It's very cute, light purple. I will use with a skirt. The last thing I ordered was this silk shirt. Was very cheap. The retail price was €55.90. I only paid $15.90. Very cute. I ordered L size. I'm very happy because it's 100% silk. I tried. The blouse suits very well, it's true to size. It's very soft, it's 100% silk. However, I must iron it before using it. And the last but not the least, this is not a purchase, it's a present, because I fallen well. Part of my family come to visit me and give me some present, and one of them are these Very cute cat t-shirt. This is a cat t-shirt. Now I feel like a Kardashian. Very skinny, right?
Sí.
And the last, my family also gave me this bracelet. It's called hardware. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.